Hello everybody and welcome back to Monster Train. I'm the Rogue Knight. I don't know, I'm still trying to find my intro. I apologize if there's a little bit of noise in the background. I have my fan on because I'm in a den and it is hot as fuck. What do we have here? So we've got Hellhorn to Umbra again. Prism retrieval is interesting, and 2 making of morsels. Wow. I'm gonna have to go merchant costs. And I'm also gonna have to go, No, I'm gonna go Gorge. For a couple of reasons. Gorge is just really good. Not to mention, we start 4 available units, huh? I don't want to put you there. I mean, he's just gonna die here, but it's an interesting thought is the thing, more than anything. So this is why the trample would have been good. Morsel Jeweler, Rubble Morsel. It kinda sucks, I'll admit. Oh, and they have armor. I'm okay with taking this damage though. We take 6 damage for a unit draft. I would say that's worth it. If you don't think so, then that's fine, but I really do. And this is me assuming that we're only taking the 6 damage. We could take more. You're absolutely right, we could. Do I believe we will though? No. We got rid of one of them, which is kind of big. So we'll do that, making of a morsel, and shade split. Not that we needed either of those. We don't need another making of a morsel, but I will take them. And then I don't think we need any of those either. So here's the question. Do we take Demon Fiend? So here's why. I took Demon Fiend because I think... No, we have to go for the upgrade to get these morsel miners. That. Exactly that. Yeah, I think we're fine there, and then I'm gonna get rid of a train steward. So the big thing I'm looking for is if I can use prism retrieval to grab our Demon Fiend, we're set, right? So we want to play all of our units possible. So we'll play you. Definitely making of a morsel, because that's kind of how we do our shit. We play you. Making of a morsel. Morsel miner, we'll add fortify, we'll shade split for a damage morsel. Sinner's Burden's a little bit annoying, but it's not something we can't handle. We'll just see all the morsels we get, yeah, because that's what we want. And then we'll, yeah, we'll end Umbra. I still have 3 available units. Oh my god, we got it though. Oh, we can't play it though. That sucks. I was like, holy shit, we did it. It's a miracle. It was, but we couldn't play it. So, you know, shit happens. That's fine. I'll take 2 Sinner's Burdens. Yeah, we don't lose here by any means, so we'll just speed this up. We don't lose. I can't really count on the prism retrieval. But we could take that X cost, the whatever it's called. If I can make the Demon Fiend cost 1 less, I would be super, super grateful. Now, make him even bigger. I could see it, but I honestly think we just go here and we go here. Then we'll go to the Concealed Cavern, see what we get. Here's the thing. I was kind of hoping for it. Because as of currently, we can stand up to Daedalus with just our current setup. I'm going to give one of them a large stone though. And then I'll take one of them out, in fact. Not the one with the large stone. Why am I giving him a large stone? Because I want to explode twice. They explode twice. I mean, is it better than damage shield? Arguably, yes. It's better than damage shield. We'll give you that for now. And you're a lazy train steward. We might as well give you the morsels, because there's no reason not to. You're still gonna die here, unless we get our big one. Which we didn't. However, we still might be able to make you survive, though. No. That's fine. It was close. We're gonna take a little bit of damage. Zero available units. Go figure. Morsel Miner. Wow, that was close. I'm a little disappointed that the Morsel Miners don't do damage, because that would be super useful for us. I don't like the haste you have there, so we're just not gonna deal with it. Deal? Deal. Do I have 2 of them? I don't. Which sucks. We will take damage here. I'm gonna give you a fortify. See, we're in a little bit of trouble here because he doesn't have nearly enough health, and I forgot about that bitch. Rubble. Rubble. We do get health back. Took a little bit more damage than I would like. Yep. Yep. We only need to hit him 4 times. Do we win this? We do. Thank God. I was gonna say it's a little bit, you know, it's a little bit scary, but we're fine. It got real close. Consume, apply Rage 4, apply Multi-Strike, apply Ember Drain. You know what? No. The Morsel Master. And we do Light of Seraph. What do we want? I'm seeing good things, actually. Do you have trample? No, you have +2 on this floor. We're gonna go Gorge. What do we get for it? 150 coins. I think that's fine. We'll take quite a bit of damage to our pyre. I'm gonna admit. We will. But you have haste? Homie. Not cool, dog. Like, straight up not cool. It's funny because we actually take the same amount if we wouldn't have killed any of them. Yeah, this is where it becomes bad, because that haste is a big issue. Can we Prism Retrieval? We can. He'll take some of the damage. You know what we don't have though? Lifesteal. We need to get rid of the haste. The haste is no bueno for us. Can we get rid of the haste? No. That's not good. Double Morsel Miner. We'll give you more armor. We'll do that. We'll do that. We'll give you that one, I guess. Oh, this is dangerous. Especially since we can only play one Morsel Miner. If we got... So yeah, this is gonna be a lot of damage. Yeah. Yep. I mean, I'll admit I kinda saw it coming. That doesn't make it any less rough though. He's great at stopping bosses, but that's about it. So... I think we do go Morsel Miner here. And we'll go Damage Shield here. Okay, we should win this no problem. I need one more floor space in order to get enough morsels out. One more floor space. Come on, baby. That's Crucible extension. I actually think I want Feast, though. Believe it or not. Why? Sweep units. Hey, we get our unit back. Endless? Hell yeah, dude. Endless is fine. Endless is great, in fact. Yes. I guess concealed is fine first. And... Train Graveyard, huh? Can I actually? I can. That's insane. The Endless is useless because he's got 110 health, but... Hey. Whatever. It works. What do I want to get rid of? Honestly, probably... a Shade Split. And then we'll go check out the Merchant of Magic. Making of a morsel costing 0 is great. Add 3 uncommon morsel units to add 10 magic power. Do we really want to get rid of a consume? Not particularly, honestly. Actually. We could remove consume on something, but I don't think we need to. With the holdover morsels, multi-strike's fine. If I could get multi-strike on my Demon Fiend, we would be set for life, though. I don't really care. Actually, I kind of care. I actually kind of care. We'll Kindle. Making. Shade Split. Did we get it? No. You have sweep? No, you just have multi-strike. Okay. Just go ahead and do that. We'll feed. And then we'll add 2 more. We still don't kill him though? That's not good. Still not, huh? That's fine. This is not good. Well, there's our prism. Fuck. I mean, he takes a little bit of damage. Not nearly enough to actually do what it's worth, though. Well, that's what happens when you try to play something that just doesn't work. I keep making stupid mistakes. I gotta stop. Alright, Awoken Umbra. Umbra main, Awoken secondary. We'll set up in the floor below the pyro room. We'll definitely go trample. It's so much easier with trample. That's fine. Life is just much easier with trample. So Morsel Jeweler or Magma? Let's go Magma to start. Let's give you a Jeweler. You're gonna die, so we'll do that. We don't actually need to attack him, is the thing. But we should. Whether or not we need to. It's fine. And we're fine here. Let's go this, just so we don't take any damage, and then we'll heal you up, and then we'll do that. Because why not? Okay, so we want that. You know what? Give me enhance as well. If I can get a 0 cost holdover enhance. Remove consume. That's disappointing, but it happened, so we'll deal with it. Do we want anything to have plus 10 magic power? You restore 20 health and do 5 times the amount, which could be good, actually. Sure. We should be able to win this, no problem. Unit draft, absolutely. I want a unit. I don't know what I want exactly. But you go up here, you go here, and then we'll do that, and then we'll do that. And I missed the shade split, but that's not a huge deal. We'll do that. We'll do this. It's not gonna do. Oh, I incanted. That was moronic of me. Most definitely moronic. I don't mind. It would slay one of them. It wouldn't really matter, actually. And then you're both dazed, so I don't mind. 0 cost enhance, rejuvenate, and add a magma. Restore. We'll use a morsel first, and then we'll go ahead and get rid of one of you, put you in front. That was a good turn, actually. And this is an even better one. He doesn't do a lot of damage, but he does damage. I'm thinking about Awake. We need the Morsel Master. We'll check the Awoken. We'll put a Husk Hermit behind our other one. Let's definitely give you more health. Give him a large stone? I don't think so. I do like that though. And I think we'll call that good for now. And then see what the Concealed Caverns have to offer us. Oh! Mysterious figure, huh? What does he give us again? Clanless. When played, gain a stack of multi-strike for each blight card in your deck. I don't think it's worth that. I really don't. Hopefully this is an easy fight. Should be. Should hopefully be. So, Tusk Hermit behind you. Shit. This is a little troubling because we need that. We need the upgrade. Well, there's that, which is nice. Then we'll restore you. We'll upgrade you. I'm gonna making of a morsel. Despite the fact that it doesn't really help us. See, that's annoying. We're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do restoration. And then we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna do that. And then oh, I was like, why are they not attacking first? Because they get dazed. Restoration, detonation, rejuvenation, rubble morsel. Doesn't really matter, but it's nice for it to be there. The issue is we need our morsel miners. Our morsel miners are our big play. So, actually, let's lower it a 4. That's fine. It's not really what I want, but it's fine. There's our morsel miner. Making us work for it, though, for sure. Wait, you die on this floor? Hey, that's awesome. Yeah. Think we're good. And then I think we need to go more unit space. I don't need another unit. I could use to get rid of some units though. Holdover? Nope. We'll make Wildwood Tome free, and I was gonna say I'll give it double stack, but okay. Train stewards out of here. Trample? No, Gorge. Gorge is what we want. Actually, no, we wanted +2 on the floor. Gorge is fine too. It's just not exactly what we would have wanted. I can't play him. It's not really that big of a deal, but all things considered. Sure. Yeah, we'll take damage here. Not enough for me to complain though. Again, we'll take damage, but again, not enough for me to complain about it. Trash. That's not trash, actually. And I will put a rubble morsel behind you for the sake of, you know. Okay, so that should... I should just stop attacking him, because I'm being an idiot and taking damage that we don't need to be taking by any means. You'll take 200. Magma or Morsel Jeweler? We should get rid of the ones behind him. Yeah. Which was the important part. Getting rid of the shit behind him so we don't have to worry about it. It's working. For now, it's working. Yeah, I just don't see the Ember Forge being super helpful. Is there anything we want to dupe? Not particularly. Remove consume. Let's make you free. Please give me holdover. You know, you're really testing my limits here. I just need one holdover. Needed. I don't need it anymore, but I needed it. This is interesting. You have sweep. It's not good. Not a big fan of the sweepy sweeps. And he does have a regen on him, so that's nice. We will. We will. You have sweep, so I'd rather not. He's stunned and he's dead. Rebel Morsel's fine. It still gives me the Gorge, but... And that's the big thing, right? Is just being able to Gorge. Even if the Gorge isn't that useful. This is gonna take forever. Okay. Whoops. And that's where our turn becomes big. It's like we take a lot of damage, but hey, I'll take that. Shroud mitosis. Shroud mitosis is huge. I don't like it because with our big heals, the heals that we have in here, can we upgrade anything? Yeah, our Husk Hermit. What do we give our Husk Hermit? More damage and more health, or multi-strike. Yeah, give the bitch multi-strike. Concealed caves, caverns, whatever it's called. I don't remember anymore. What do we want? Probably a random Umbra consumable. I'll take it. Give me a Hellhorn. I'll take it. I might get rid of it though, because it's not super necessary right now. It's useful, don't get me wrong, but it's just not exactly what we need. So there's that. There they are. I was like, we're in a little bit of trouble if we're not grabbing what we need. I'm afraid to tell you that you're not gonna get much out of that. Oh, we don't have any. God damn it. That's annoying. We'll take 11 damage. You have sweep, don't you? Yeah. Of course you do. Should not be doing it on that floor. That's for fucking sure. Yeah, I know, but I had to. So we'll take a little bit more damage. We'll take 6 more damage. Taking 17 total damage. Hopefully. Oh, he went down to 4. I thought he had 6. Oh, it's because he had the rage on him, that's why. That's what we wanted. So we can Morsel Miner and then Shroud Mitosis. Yeah, that's disgusting. Okay, we're taking more damage, but that's what we wanted to see. That was a huge Gorge. We're taking a little bit more damage than I would like, you're right. But overall, it's working out pretty well. Not to mention we have the Bone Dog, who's gonna help us out a little bit, actually. That's disappointing. There's our Morsel Miner, which goes here. Let's do that, let's do that, let's do that, and let's just hit you for 12. Let's get through this. How many times do we need to hit her? 6? Can we hit you 6 times? Yes. The answer is yes. And We'll get some more health back. Higher health, that is. Yeah, so we should have no issues beating the boss. Give me one more. That should be all we need. We gotta get rid of some cards, honestly. We really need to. I've got way too many cards in this deck. What do we want to get rid of, though? Do we need to upgrade anything? Yes, we do. There it is. Thank God, dude. I was gonna say, like, that was taking for fucking ever. And Shroud Mitosis being free is also amazing. And then 10 magic power. That's big because being able to restore. What do you have for me? Bigger trample or more gorge? I think we go bigger trample. $20 armor, huh? I think we can do it. I think we should be able to. My biggest worry is that these guys are a little bit stronger than the ones we're kind of used to, I would say. We can kill you. No, we can't. We can hit you for 9, though. The self-mutilations are definitely going to suck a little bit. What do we have? Trash. Let's go with you, and then you can have you, and you can have you, and then we'll go ahead and do that. Oh, we're not going to do 130 damage to this guy. There's no fucking way. That's big. So yeah, so we'll take, what, 16 damage? Oh no, only 8. We'll only take 8. That's good. Let's do you. Let's do that. Let's do that. And that. I'm a little disappointed that we're not going to make that work like we could have. But shit happens, right? They're all dazed. We're gonna make you quick, and we're gonna add a morsel miner. We'll take some damage, there's no doubt about it. Yeah. I mean, we kind of saw it coming, so, you know, I can't really say I didn't see it coming, because I did. Absolutely. If we can get that Gorge early, we should have... Oh my god, you're kidding me, right? We'll take more damage here, but our Gorge is insane right now. Gorge abilities triggering an additional time would be ridiculous. So you guys are gonna die. So my question is, if I'm making of a morsel 14 times, huh? I have to. I had to. Okay, we don't get very far in this fight, which is fine. However, yeah, at this point it's like, good luck, bud. We've got just an insane amount of attack. 345. Not to mention 250 something health. So the more we can hit that gorge, the better. So what does that tell me exactly? We don't need to upgrade anyone else, so we'll go for the Forgotten Boons. We will get rid of you, and we're gonna get rid of... I don't think we need the Packed Morsels that badly. But I think a Restore is less helpful. We could minimize the cost, we could double stack. None of those are really worth it. Add Permafrost, not really in my wheelhouse. I guess that's all we'll do for now. We'll go check out the Merchant. Spells gain an extra upgrade slot. That was the only reason I wanted it. 7 Ember on the first turn of battle, huh? Fuck. Looks like we're removing more cards. Let's get rid of Steel Enhancer, because I don't think it's worth it. Let's get rid of... We're still at 20? Honestly, let's get rid of Packed Morsels. We probably should have gotten rid of Shade Split. Zap 3, aww. Sad day. Hey, our Morsel Miner has holdover. Which is really, really nice. I forgot we added holdover to it. So... essentially, what we're trying to do here is get our Morsel Miner to the point where we're not really worried about much else. The sap damage isn't great. This is why. We're still not gonna kill you, which is honestly a little disappointing. But after this, we will kill anyone. That's super close to him dying, and I don't like it very much. However, I don't really think it's gonna matter that much. Yo, I don't care how much fucking or how much armor you put on for that. It doesn't matter. We do 322 damage. We can clear this line out, or at least we should be able to, with one hit. Come on. No, too bad. That's fine though. Because we're gonna Morsel Miner. And then we're gonna Shroud Mitosis. We'll take some damage here. But after that, I think we should be fine. I tried. Okay, I tried. We might actually win this, despite the craziness that this has been. Like 412 damage, huh? It's gonna be more than that. How much damage does Seraph do? That's fine. We lose 120 health. Here's the question. Do you really think I care? We hit you for 319 after killing 2 of your units. You do 10 times 3, we have 300 health. I mean, what is she expecting? Does she actually expect to win that? That couldn't have gone better. I mean, it really couldn't have. With morsel mitosis and our making of a morsel, I mean, it's game over. And 6 more. Damage dealt. We got a clanless card mastered. What clanless card did we master? Oh, Bone Dog's favor. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please leave it a like. If you're enjoying the content, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.